Long ago, I wrote a letter to the person closest to my heart. Before pen touched the paper, a tear dropped at the start. I was about to write that walls between us are melting down. Let's meet when first snow falls. Meanwhile, my phone buzzed. You were on the other side of call. Before I tell you that I am writing a new beginning, why not this winter you and me becomes us? I heard you sobbing. You were broken as he left. Every part of me fell apart. I said you will be alright. That day I decided not to appear in your sight. No matter how much you blame me, how many times we fight, we not being us seemed right.